Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. We will be using aloe vera in my hair as a growth treatment. In today's video, I really want to focus on how I use the aloe vera for hair growth and not so much of like my hair wash routine, which I will be doing an updated routine very soon on my channel. So stay tuned, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you subscribe. So if you're interested in how I got these results, please keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my hair already washed, only shampooed, not conditioned. I just placked my hair up in some little braids or twists every time I do this. And that way it's easier. My hair is already combed out in sections and I can just apply the aloe vera. As you can see, I already cut up the aloe vera into little mini sections. That way it's easier for me to distribute on my hair. I usually start at the roots in the base of my hair because I always want to protect my edges, and I just want to make sure my hair is strong from scalp all the way to end. You can see I'm just rubbing it in. It's really soft. For anyone who doesn't know what the plant feels like, it has like a really jelly substance. I know a lot of people normally cut up the plant and they may put it into like a blender. That way you're not getting like the thick chunks of aloe vera into your hair when you go to wash it out. But I just like to cut up the pieces and just put it on my hair directly from the plant. In my head, I feel like I'm getting all the benefits if I do it that way. So now I'm going on to the next side, next section of my hair, and I'm just going to repeat the same steps over and over. Start from the root, go down to the middle of my hair, and all the way to my ends. You cannot forget the ends. My hair is so long, I'm trying to make sure that I'm not dripping any of the juice on the floor when I'm trying to go down to the ends. When I'm done with each section, I just twist it back up so it's not in the way of the other hair of the section that I'm trying to get to. Here I'm going to start with the back, and I'm just doing the exact same thing. I wanted to speed it up for you guys so the video isn't repetitive for each step. You can see I'm all done. I've done all 4 sections of my hair from the scalp all the way to the end, and I'm just going to leave it in overnight. You can wash it out right after if you want to. Maybe leave it in for about 20 minutes so it can soak up all of the benefits for your hair and then wash it out, but I like to leave it in overnight. Okay guys, so it has been exactly 1 day since I used the aloe vera plant. I typically like to leave it in if I'm not doing anything the next day. I like to leave it in overnight and kind of let it marinate on my scalp and on my ends. This is very optional. You can wash it out right away. I know most people do because it does tend to make your scalp a little itchy. Mine not so much because I've used it multiple times, so I feel like my hair is kind of immune to it. But I like to get all of the benefits as possible that I can. So I leave it in overnight and I just kind of plack my hair up in braids. So I washed it out. As you can see, this is the final result. After I put in the aloe vera, I went back in the shower, washed my hair, put conditioner on. I used 2 products, which was a moisturizer and a gel. And as you can see, my hair is so soft, very shiny, and I just love it. And this is normally the results I get every time I use aloe vera after shampooing. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe, comment, like, and share. See you guys in the next video.